Today I'm going to be showing you, well, I don't quite know how many there is, but you already know because you see the title. I am going to be showing you the latest makeup hacks. So if you want to find out what some of these hacks are, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. And for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I got some makeup hacks today. I love makeup hacks because believe me, I'm pretty lazy. So, you know, I like to get things done quick and as easy as I possibly can. So, the ones that I'm actually going to be trying today, hopefully, they are better shortcuts to what we're doing now. So, we're just going to go ahead and get into them. We're going to test these out and if you should do them or if you should just ignore this whole video and just keep doing what you're doing. So let's go ahead and jump in, guys. Alright guys, now the first hack, and I have seen this somewhere before. I can't remember where it was at because my mind is just totally gone. It's air. And I think I might have done it a time or two, but it didn't really stick. So the first hack is to actually take a white eyeliner pencil and trace around your lips. And it doesn't matter. It could be messy or whatever. You just need kind of a thick line going all the way around your lips. And then what you do is you take your finger and just kind of blend it out or blend it in. And then you could use your lip liner or lip gloss, lip shade, whatever you use normally. And it is supposed to make your lips pop. It's supposed to make them look bigger and just make them look more defined. So I did test this trick out and I will show you pictures before and after I tested these and all that good stuff, guys. You know, I got pictures. I could kind of see a difference, but I'm not going to say that it's such a big difference that I would do this every time I do my makeup. I mean, let me know what y'all think. Tell me down in the comments. Have you tried this hack before? Can you tell a difference? And remember now, I've got a shitty camera. So, you know, that might be a reason if you can't really see it that good. Guys, now this second hack, I think I'm going to be obsessed with. I really do. I can tell a difference. Now, I don't know if you could really see it that good on my shitty camera, but guys, I could tell a difference when I've done this and I really like it. It is for you to find an oil-free lotion and put, instead of primer on your eyes, put the lotion onto your eyes and put a shimmer or a glitter shade or whatever you want to use on top of that. It's supposed to give you a 3D shadow look. Guys, I really liked this hack. I tried it. I love it. And like I said, I don't know if you can see a difference in the pictures, but I absolutely love this hack, guys. It works awesome. I love the way it looked. And for some reason, I just felt like my shadows were blending like seamlessly. It's incredible. And I'm going to have to keep playing around with this hack because I do like this one. Alright guys, hack number 3, and this is for my brown-eyed girls, and you know I got them too, girls, so yeah. Guys, this is a really neat hack. Now, I couldn't really tell a difference in person, and maybe it's because I look at myself every day. God forbid. The hack is to take a dark blue liner and put on your lower lash line. You could put it on the upper lash line, whatever you want to do, in the waterline or around the waterline, on your lash line, you know, just wherever you want to put it. Just take a dark blue liner and line your eyes. It is supposed to take the lighter flecks of color that are in brown eyes and make them pop more. So initially, what this hack is saying is it is going to make brown eyes look lighter if you line your eyes with a dark blue eyeliner. Now, like I said, I don't know if I could really tell a difference, and I really didn't pay too much attention. I just glanced in the mirror, I took the shot, and there you go. Tell me if you see a difference. Tell me if you tried at home. Let me know down in the comments what do y'all think about that hack, because I think it's really cool. Guys, hack number 4. Now, you know we prime our eyes, and you know we go ahead and we set it with a loose powder. You know, this is common knowledge, I feel like now. So this hack is telling you to dust that loose powder. Make sure it's translucent. Make sure it has no color. My favorite, and people, y'all already know this. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know my favorite. It is the RCMA no color powder. Fave. Not only set your primer or your concealer on your eye, so after you get done with your eye look, go ahead and dust a little bit more of a loose translucent powder over top of the color, and make sure it's translucent. That way it does not alter the color. It's supposed to soak up the oil, so even if the eye makeup has any oil in it, it's supposed to soak up that oil, and it's supposed to make it last longer and look a whole lot more flawless. Guys, I tried this. I couldn't tell a difference. I really couldn't. But now I've only had it on a couple of hours too, so I really need to test this one out before I let you know if I like this hack or not. So I know it didn't alter the colors, it didn't change the look. So, I mean, it wouldn't hurt to try it out. Okay, number 5, this is a very special hack, and I am planning to do a video just on this. I did not test this one out, but I am still going to tell y'all what it is. And this is going to be the craziest shit y'all have ever heard. Take your coffee, which I'm obsessed with coffee. I could drink it 24 hours a day. Spritz your coffee on your beauty blender to apply your foundation. And what this does is the caffeine that is in the coffee is supposed to make a finish on your foundation to look more flawless and to make your face look more awake and just give you a really glowy skin finish. Now, again, guys, I have not tried this one, but I still wanted to let y'all know about this hack so y'all could go ahead and test it for yourselves. Now, like I said, I am planning to do a whole video just trying this out and wearing the makeup all day long and seeing what it does. So be watching for that. I mean it. Alright, guys, number 6 is to take your eye creams and apply them everywhere where you have extra wrinkles. You know, those fine lines. And mainly, like, the parts of my face would be right here between my eyes, around my nose. Of course, the ones that are around the lips, like the smile lines and stuff. And then the lines around the eye, which, of course, it's eye cream, so it goes there anyways. But to actually take your eye cream and put everywhere else where you have those fine lines and wrinkles. And it is supposed to tighten up the skin and do all that good stuff that it does for the fine lines around your eyes. So, guys, I am still testing this one out. We'll see. Hack number 7, guys. Now, this one, of course, I've heard about this one before, but this is actually, well, maybe the second time that I've done it, but I didn't take the first time too seriously. I do that sometimes. We use a lip gloss or a lip balm. You dab it on your cheekbones and your highlighted areas. And you could either use this alone or you could put it on top, use it as a topper for a highlighter that you already got on. And it is supposed to turn it into a wet highlighted look. Now, if you use it alone, it's just going to look nice and glossy like a wet highlight. Duh. Guys, this hack I love. I think it's beautiful, but really, I like it a little bit more when you put it on top of another highlighter because, you know, I just like my highlighter loud anyways. I like for everybody to see it in space. I like for you to go on Google Maps at nighttime. Wait, is that a thing? Can you do that? I'm not sure. But if you could, I want you to see me from Google Maps at dark. That's so dumb, guys. That's so dumb. Oh my God, I'm gonna do that, like dark Google Maps in the dark, nighttime Google Maps. And the last one, number 8, guys, squint your eyes, squint them really good. Do you see those lines around your eyes? Okay, do you see the lines where your outer corner is? This hack, guys, and it actually worked. I can't believe it. I cannot believe I'm telling you guys. It worked. I couldn't believe it. Us girls with hooded eyes. Oh my gosh. Guys, this hack is amazing. Your eyeliner, your winged eyeliner. Us hooded girls, we have trouble perfecting the technique to do a winged eyeliner. And this hack has been here all along. Well, no, actually it hasn't, because these are new hacks, so I just lied. If you squint your eyes, and I got pictures, but I don't know if you can see them really good, but there is a couple of lines when you squint that you are going to see right there where your wing is supposed to be. What you do is you take your eyeliner and you trace right inside of the top line, the very top line, that when you squint that you can see, that's where your winged eyeliner goes. So it maps out your eyeliner, your winged eyeliner. Guys, this actually worked. I hope you can see it good in the pictures, because I love this hack. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these hacks. And hell, most of all, I hope you enjoyed me. That was so stupid. So if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And we will see you next video. Bye, guys.